श्री स्वामी नारायण भगवान की जय। अक्षर पुरुषोत्तम महाराज की जय। गुणातीतानंद स्वामी महाराज की जय। भगत जी महाराज की जय। शास्त्री जी महाराज की जय। योगी जी महाराज की जय। प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज की जय। महंत स्वामी महाराज की जय। प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज शताब्दी महोत्सव की जय।
Commencing the celebration, I would like to request our respected chairperson, Mr. Kothari sir, academic head, Mr. Vishal Sawant sir, principal ma'am, Mrs. Shweta Khandelwal ma'am, headmistress, Mrs. Sonali Dange ma'am, and all the management members. And welcome to escort our chief guest, Ms. Shreya Kutecha and Ms. Vedika Tapadia. The Swaminarayan School is delighted to have you with us here today. I request our distinguished dignitaries and guests to hoist the tricolour and make this day to yet another glory.
उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। आज 15 अगस्त 2021 को हम अपना 75वां स्वतंत्र दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं। आज ही के दिन भारत को आज़ादी मिली थी और पूरे देश में खुशी की लहर दौड़ पड़ी थी। 15 अगस्त 1947 के सूर्योदय के साथ भारत में नवीन युग का उदय हुआ था और पूरा देश रोशनी से जगमगा उठा था और हम सभी स्वतंत्रता दिवस को अपने राष्ट्रीय त्योहार के रूप में मनाने लगे। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा। नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है।
Arush Poddar from 7th grade to give a speech on this glorious occasion.
लड़े वो वीर जवानों की तरह, लड़े वो वीर जवानों की तरह, ठंडा खून फौलाद हुआ, मरते मरते भी मार गिराए, तभी तो देश आजाद हुआ, तभी तो देश आजाद हुआ. Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to the honorable management members, respected principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, academic head sir, all the teachers and my dear friends. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the 75th Independence Day celebration. This journey of freedom from 200 years of slavery and injustice would not be possible without our freedom fighters and the brave warriors who fearlessly fought. Many freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Veer Savarkar, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey and many more martyred their lives so that our nation is free from such an unequal social system. They also protected the Sone Ki Chidiya, making the glory of unity in diversity alive. Nowadays, the soldiers are fighting on the boundaries to protect us and the whole country from other nations. Adding the soldiers, even frontline warriors are also helping or protecting us from this deadly COVID-19 situation. The nation is thankful to all the warriors who are fighting for us. The youth of the nation has to carry this legacy, and it's our duty to carry the spirit forward. That is the sense of equality, kindness, compassion, honesty, and love. We should always work for pride of our nation. In the recent Tokyo Olympics, many people won the medals, and I congratulate them all. And I must also say, सोने की चिड़िया के पास सोना आ ही गया. This feeling of patriotism binds us as proud citizens. Once again, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Swaminarayan.
Thank you, Arush.
भारत में कितनी भी भाषाएं हो जाएं, लेकिन संगीत से अच्छी कोई भाषा नहीं हो सकती. संगीत वो धागा है जो हमारे देश को एक सूत्र में पिरोए रखता है. हमारे देश की जान है संगीत, हमारे देश की शान है संगीत, और हमारे देश के नाम में है संगीत. भा से भावना, र से राग और त से ताल. तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं कॉयर ग्रुप को एक मधुर गीत के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूं, जिसके बोल हैं, चलो जवानों बढ़ो जवानों, माँ ने हमें पुकारा है.
आगे
performance by our school choir group definitely aroused patriotism within all of us. Yoga's origin can be traced to northern India over 5,000 years ago. In the words of our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yoga is an invaluable tradition and gift to our respected country. So let's witness a graceful yoga performance.
अथ योगानुशासनम् सांसों में छिपा है ये पुरखों की कृपा है ये दिखलाएगा रास्ता अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध जो अपने आप सिद्ध जो रखना इस पे आस था अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
विश्व को भेंट दी हमने योग है योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है
अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् भारत ने ही योग सिखाया जग में फैलाया
विश्व ने अपनाया नियंत्रण आया रोग पे
विश्व ने जैसे है पाया जो अधिकार ये अब आरोग्य पे है सब हो पाया योग से सदियों से रहा है ये सब ही ने कहा है ये
हर दम देगा आसरा
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
योग से महामारी को रोक ले
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीहा उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् तेज बढ़ेगा चित्त खिलेगा जीवित दिल रहे तन मन ये कहे हर पल हर एक सांस में स्वास्थ्य की धारा शरीर के कण कण में बहे
धन मन ये कहे है शक्ति अपने हाथ में
महिमा इसकी जान लो आए समय तो ठान लो रख लेना ये वास्ता अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
ये शरीर और मन का संजोग है
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम्
the mental and the emotional health of the people all around the world deteriorated. Yoga proved to be an enrichment to our country and helped us fight the darkness of coronavirus. As an aware organization, we understood the need that the society has, and so we decided to conduct yoga session for our educators as well as parents. Thank you so much, yoga team. It was lovely to watch you.
अज्ञानता को दूर कर ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाई है। अज्ञानता को दूर कर ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाई है। गुरु के चरणों में रहकर हमने शिक्षा पाई है। गलत राह में भटके जब हम, तब गुरु ने राह दिखाई है। जीवन को सही मार्ग दिखाया है। रास्ते पे चलना हमें तभी ही आया है। रास्ते पे चलना हमें तभी ही आया है। और इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं हमारी प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती श्वेता खंडेलवाल मैम को विचार प्रकट करने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
Jai Swaminarayan. Happy Independence Day to all the dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear students. I feel honored to address you all on today's day as the principal of the school. I would like to congratulate our chief guest, Miss Shreya Kotecha and Vedika Tapadia, for their excellence in class 10th and 12th. This is always so exciting to come together and celebrate the historic day with a feeling of patriotism and a sense of oneness. Due to pandemic situation, we could not celebrate physically, but virtually we have kept the feeling of patriotism alive. Today is the time to pay homage to the memory of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to free India. Keeping all the sacrifice in our mind and heart, I would like to seek your attention towards our Olympic players. This year, our great Indian players had won gold, silver, and bronze medal in different Olympic games. It's a very proud and inspiring moment for all of us that in COVID-19 circumstances also we had not give up, but we have marked our achievement. I would like to congratulate all our winners and participants at Olympic Games. I would request to our dear students that we should be inspired by our Olympic players, that though pandemic situation was there, but they have not give up. So you also carry on your studies and don't give up. I would like to say the young generation is our future for the country. With youths, talents and efforts towards the country, India can succeed more in the future. We need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our country. Together in unity, we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Swaminarayan.
Thank you, respected Principal Ma'am, for your kind words. We are delighted to have you here.
यूं ही नहीं मिलता कोई मुकाम, यूं ही नहीं मिलता कोई मुकाम, उसे पाने के लिए चलना पड़ता है। इतना आसान नहीं होता कामयाबी का रास्ता, इतना आसान नहीं होता कामयाबी का रास्ता, उसके लिए किस्मत से भी लड़ना पड़ता है, किस्मत से भी लड़ना पड़ता है। इन्हीं वचनों के साथ मैं हमारी युवा अतिथि श्रेया कोटेचा को मंच पे आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
A very good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to one and all present here, respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and to all my fellow students. To begin with, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Myself, Shreya Kotecha, and today I feel honored to stand here and share my thoughts with you all. I am really thankful to Bhagwan Swaminarayan and to all the dignitaries who gave me this chance to hoist the flag. I would like to recite a few lines written by late Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो.
क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। As it's a very special day for our country today, I would like to link up few things. We always read in our history chapters that there were so many movements that were called off during our freedom struggle. So imagine if because of those failed movements, if our freedom fighters would have lost hope and sat back at their homes, calling off all their goals and ambitions to make the country free, what would have happened? Fortunately, they did not. And it was because of their hard work and passion, today we as a country are free from all those oppressions. So, all I want to say to my juniors is believe in yourself and your teachers without going for shortcut. Be consistent in whatever you do and learn to ignore all the negativity around you. We should always have this feeling in our mind that सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। वो जितने अंधेरे लाएंगे मैं उतने उजाले लाऊंगा, वो जितनी रातें बढ़ाएंगे मैं उतने सूरज उगाऊंगा। इस छल फरेब की दुनिया में मैं ये दीप नहीं बुझने दूंगा, इस छल फरेब की दुनिया में मैं ये दीप नहीं बुझने दूंगा। वी शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट विस्मृत भेदाः संतो एकी भावम हृदय रुदम सततम कुर्वन्तु। At last, I would like to thank all my teachers and all the dignitaries who gave me this opportunity for the flag hoisting. And special thanks to Bhagwan Swaminarayan and all the gurus. Because of their blessings, I could achieve this success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Swaminarayan.
धन्यवाद श्रेया।
Ms. Vedika Tapadia, I request you to speak a few words as we all are eager to listen to you too.
तालीम नहीं दी जाती परिंदों को उड़ानों की, वे खुद तय करते हैं ऊंचाई आसमानों की, रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमान को छूने का, वे नहीं करते परवाह जमीन पर गिर जाने की। A very pleasant and mesmerizing morning to each one present here. Respected Chairman Sir, worthy Principal Ma'am, entire school management, teachers and all my fellow friends. I, Miss Vedika Tapadia, feel very privileged and honored to be here and present myself on such a wonderful day, that is Independence Day, the day of nation's independence. Wishing you all happy Independence Day. उठो, जागो और तब तक ना रुको जब तक मंजिल ना मिले. Every freedom fighter taught us the same thing. We need to be focused and determined. Today, we as India are free just because of their consistent efforts and hard work. Our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. I scored 96.8% in my 12th board, and it was possible only due to consistent efforts of my beloved teachers. Thank you, teachers, for being so supportive and friendly. You made experience of learning more memorable. Even this pandemic situation never affected the quality of education. We would get connected through online classes and get our doubts sorted. खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, पढ़ पढ़कर विद्वान बनेंगे. खाकर शपथ कह रहे हम, आशा से भी अधिक करेंगे हम भविष्य उज्जवल. आज नहीं तो कल, आज नहीं तो कल. To all my fellow friends, wishing good luck and bright future ahead. Stay calm and focused. You all guys will surely get successful. सोच मत साकार कर, सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर. मिलेगा तेरी मेहनत का फल, आज नहीं तो कल, आज नहीं तो कल, आज नहीं तो कल. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all my school members and entire school management who contributed in my memorable journey of 2 years. At conclusion, I would like to recite a poem. O worthy of worship, the Swaminarayan School. O worthy of worship, the Swaminarayan School. You are temple of knowledge. Being your devotee, I must praise your beauty, charm, and grace. Happy I feel in the light of your name. May the whole world sing your fame. May the whole world sing your fame. O worthy of worship, the Swaminarayan School. O worthy of worship, the Swaminarayan School. Thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.
A huge round of applause for both our chief guests. We would like to take this moment to also thank your parents. Their upbringing reflects on you. Thank you for having faith in us. Your cooperation towards our organization is priceless. Now, I would like to invite on stage Devanshi Kanuga, representing class 12th, to propose a vote of thanks.
Jai Swaminarayan, I am Devanshi Kanuga. A warm and graceful morning to most valued management members, chief guests, worthy teachers, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. It's my honor to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this Independence Day celebration. I would like to thank our young achievers for giving such a delightful speech and the students of our singing group for singing a melodious song. Also, a big thanks to our yoga students for performing a wonderful yoga. And it makes my heart swell when I watch all the students growing mentally and physically both. Now, a special mention to our respected principal, Mrs. Shweta Khandelwal ma'am, and our academic in charge, Mr. Vishal Sawant sir, and our headmistress, Sonali Dange ma'am, for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength, and also for sharing their kind words with us. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. My special thanks to Chief Guest Ms. Shreya Kotecha and Ms. Vedika Tapadia for making us proud and inspiring all students to work hard. Congratulations on your excellent success and good luck for more progress. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this Independence Day celebration memorable for all of us. On behalf of my school, let me thank all students to be disciplined and honored. Our school students are not only good at academics, but also in extracurricular activities. We value you and every moment that you stay in this temple of learning. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Swaminarayan.
बस ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, बस ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की शहीदों ने, लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की शहीदों ने, उस तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, उस तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। और इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं सभी से निवेदन करता हूं कि वंदे मातरम के लिए खड़े हो जाएं।
Thank you all the participants. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Swaminarayan.